Hi, I'm Andrew Lowsutea, president. Hey, you know, a lot of our diabetic friends are saying that Andrew was so nice. You have all the breakfast, you have very nice to have lunch, and then you have also very good to have dinner. But with lack of some more stuff, it's called snack. Because instead of eating like cookies, chips here and there, wow, it's so unhealthy. It spikes our blood sugar. I say, yes, you're all right. We definitely need to give you more snack recipe, and the snack recipe will be give you something like 3 to 5 gram carb, and that will you can have good satisfaction but no spike of sugar. Okay, so naturally we will do that today. We call a no baking but just pan made pizza. Okay， 各位朋友，我係 Andrew Lowsutea President 嗱。我哋做咗好多不同嘅產品啦。第一，你記唔記得2 gram 嘅杏仁麵包，90% 嘅早餐麵包，同埋仲有好靚仔嘅 waffle 或者 pancake。咁啊，好多堂友就話：我已經係食過晒，好正啊！又有晏晝啦，依家晚餐又食過啦，又有 lasagna 好多不同嘢。佢話：Andrew， 依家最大問題咧冇乜好嘅 snack 啊，因為咧好多時咧。食少 snack 嘅時候咧，食 cookie 啊，其他嘢個 sugar 高啊，好高，糖高啊，咁啊不如咁啦，我話唔緊要，我整啲正嘅snack 俾你試下。呢個咧係叫做唔係用焗爐做嘅，係個 fry pan 做嘅，即係呢個 pan 做嘅好正嘅 pizza。咁咧呢個咧只係3.7 gram 嘅啫，3.7克嘅 pizza。咁我哋好快就教你做啦 ，OK？ So with that, it's so easy. The ingredient basically, all you start off with, basically is just a 100 gram of cheddar cheese, okay? And we're gonna melt this, and then we have 2 tablespoons of almond flour. Certainly, you have to make tomato paste. Now, all you do is just 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. And 2 tablespoons of water to make the tomato paste to make the tomato sauce. Now, if you think that was too much troublesome, just buy some ready-made 4 tablespoons of tomato sauce. Just will do. Okay. Now, then you have some sausages, onions, all the stuff that come along. We'll give you everything ready. You can see that it's very simple. You want more sausages, okay? You know, more onions is fine. So. Anyway, we'll come through that later. So first step, I'm going to put this into the bowl, and then we'll bring it to the microwave to melt the cheese, and later on we'll mix the cheese and almond flour to make the dough. Okay? 嗱，好簡單，我而家就用咗個 cheddar cheese 放喺度先，咁然後之後咧，我就拎去個 microwave， 然後焗一焗佢，焗到佢溶咗之後，咁就 make 個 dough 啦。咁你等等我哋好快脆就翻嚟㗎啦。OK? Good. 一陣間見。Okay, I'm back. You see all these are melted. 擺喺 microwave 已經大概1分鐘至2分鐘，睇你咩 microwave 啦。咁啊好似溶地之後咧，咁我就可以而家擺啲almond flour 落去。So after you melt the cheddar cheese, I'm gonna start making the almond flour all together in this, and then I will mix it together. You see how you make it? Real easy. And I'm making a dough right now. Okay, so I'm making a dough.咁呢個刀咧，你係要快脆嘅，因為咧佢好快脆就溶鬼咗嘅。咁你就要真係要快脆啲啊，唔好搞咁耐。因為咧 ，so when you make the dough, you have to make it fast because this thing will melt pretty quick. So you have to make the dough melt and the almond flour mix together. So you gonna make that. You gonna make this together real quick, and then after that, I will go to the bowl. Okay. 咁呢個咧you have to mix it quickly, so make sure that it doesn't get dry real quick. If not, you cannot mix it back. Okay, so easy. Okay, the doughs are pretty much made, and then what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put into the pan, and then you go make sure that we'll flatten it on the pan. So I will do that soon after I mix it real well now. Okay, pretty much mix it real well. Okay, now so I'm gonna bring it down to the pan. Hold on. Okay, so what I will do is I'm gonna bring this over so you can see it how the dough look like. Okay, so this is how the dough, and I'm gonna flatten it. So while right now I'm turning the camera, I'll flatten. After that, take a little time to flatten, and I'll come back to you see how it look like. I am back. Now I make the dough and make it all round and press down and make it all round. That's how it looks like. Now what I'm going to do is now I'm going to put the tomato sauce on it. Okay. 嗱，頭先我睇呢個pizza 嗰個粉啦，咁係用 cheese 同埋 almond flour 嚟做㗎啦。咁我哋而家咧就整到圓腍就咁。咁我哋而家咧就要擺啲 tomato sauce， 即係番茄醬落去啦，同埋然後擺不同嘅即係 Italian sausage 啊、意大利腸啊嗰啲東西落去。So we're gonna start putting the first of all we have to put the tomato sauce in here. So we just spread it around. You know, it's easy to make it spread around. Make sure you get every corner cover in the pizza. Okay, and then you do that. Cover everything. You might have some extra sauce, which is okay if you don't have used enough, but at least you cover everything. Make sure you cover everything so the taste looks really good, okay? Okay, good enough. Now what next step, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start putting some onions. Put some onions over all different places, more onions. And then you can also put, so you put after onions, 揾啲紅辣椒啊，咁啊放開佢啊，咁你可以用辣椒有 tomato 又得，乜嘢都得嘅。其實我哋用咗 tomato， 即係依個係用紅色辣椒，依個so you can actually use red pepper. You can do whatever you want to do. Red pepper actually looks pretty good. Okay, then we use Italian sausage. Italian sausage on top there. Italian sausage, 意大利腸啊，多啲又 OK， 少啲都 OK， 隨便你。咁你可以擺多啲，我係中意食多啲嘅。So I like put a lot more sausage because I like the sausage. Okay, so you gotta cover everything. Then you gotta put the mushroom now. Mushroom. So, pretty much done. So after that, you can see how it look like. So that's how it look like. So what we'll do is, I'm going to put it in a pan, and you can also put some mozzarella cheese on top. This is the mozzarella cheese is 1/4 cup mozzarella cheese. 四分一杯嘅 mozzarella cheese 放喺上邊，咁個 pizza 就好靚仔嘅，你睇下。Wow, looks so good. You already look so delicious. Ah, my goodness. I'm looking hungry. I'm really getting hungry just looking at it. I think this is a good afternoon snack. Okay, then what I will do is I still get some Italian spices. This is just Italian black pepper, ground pepper, and then get some black pepper here. And then that's good. Here you go. Alright, now I'm put it right here, and I put the oven to be, the pan to be on. With that, I put it still cooking. and I use this to cover up to cook it. Okay, so that's what I will do. So I will come back. See you in a little while. Hi, I'm Angela. I'm back. Now I've cooked it for almost 10 minutes low fire. Let's see how it look like. Hi， 我係 Angela， 我哋翻嚟啦。現在咁我睇睇，哇，好鬼正！我煮咗大概係10分鐘咁上下啦 ，low fire。咁個 pizza 就好似咁樣嘅。Can you see? I'll make it closer. Okay, can you see real well? Okay, that's how it look. Looks really good. 咁啊，大概焗10分鐘。咁我而家拎咗個 pizza 出嚟先。So I'm gonna take my pizza out. Take a look. Whoa, man, it's really cool. OK， 咁啊睇下咧個 pizza 有冇好食先，拎開呢個，咁咧拎少少出嚟試下。嗱，呢個咧用個 pizza knife， 然後拎啲出嚟。OK， 試下好唔好食啦？Wow, looks real cool. Look at that. To be honest, I like the sausage, so I like to put more sausage. 我好中意咧，有啲腸喺度嘅，咁呢個 pizza 就好鬼正，好多啲咁嘅腸。咁啊睇下好唔好食先。咁啦 ，so I like the sausage, just I like to put a lot of sausage. So put every sausage in there. But anyway, let's take a look, see how it tastes. It smells wonderful. It's really good. 咁睇下好食啦 ，OK？ Really good. Really tastes like a thin crust pizza. It's delicious, very moist, it has a good chewing, just like a thin crusty pizza, very cheesy. 嗱，呢個認真好食，因為咧就係咧佢嘅牙感啊、口感，同埋咧佢呢個好似一個所謂叫薄餅、薄 pizza 餅嗰個感覺，同埋咧。佢有好多好味道入去咧，同埋嗰啲即係嗰個紅色嗰個辣椒啊，同埋 onion 啊，同埋啲 mushroom 啊，加埋晒咧個味道係十分正，口感十分好。So this can be a very nice, truly a very nice, snack for you guys for only 3.7 gram carbs. It's a delicious pizza. Afternoon will be excellent for your snack, or even after dinner you want to have one more snack. This can be very good for you. So again, this is Angelo. I hope you guys are gonna have a wonderful weekend. Enjoy your snack, making a very easy to make pan-make pizza rather than big pizza. 多謝各位朋友。嗱，今次咧我整個 pizza 咧唔使焗嘅，因為好多朋友話冇焗爐啊，唔緊要。我整個 pizza 俾你啊，用個 frying pan 嗰個就可以煮到噶啦。再見。